Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add like a camera. So like when you take a screenshot of it, like a camera, and when you press a button, it'll take a screenshot of it and it'll send it to your Discord server. So yeah, here we go. So what we want to do is go down to the description, go into press the Discord link. It's the coding hub. It's called the coding hub, and then scroll down till you see. Let me show you guys. To see quick script finding. I'll probably either edit this or just add another one, and then it'll be probably called like camera or screenshotter or something like that. Then what you want to do, import the script. Now what you want to do, take pick hand. It depends. So if you're gonna have this on your left hand, do this as your left hand. If you're gonna have it on your right hand, do right hand. Screenshot cameras. What you want to do is create a camera. So you can have your back camera, so which is going to face that way, and then you could have your front camera, which is going to face that way. So what you can do is take a screenshot of it there, or like go in there, or like take a screenshot of it, like let's say a player model, which is cool. So the settings, what I do, you probably have an audio listener. Just do this, and the remove component, don't have it. Keep field of view as 60. What you want to do then is output texture. For this is going to be for both of these. Let me just find it. So what we want to do is create render texture. Don't make it way too like high quality. Um, so yeah, so I would do this. So this is 1080p, so 1920 by 1080. So and then that'll give you this, and I'll leave it like that. And then what you want to do if you have URP, but I think this also works with normal, is create a new material. And then if you have URP, do Universal Render Pipeline, do only. If you have it normal, just normal without URP, just do normal only. And then just drag this camera, the render texture there. Then what I'm going to do is make a camera model or something like that. And then create two objects. So one is going to be like the camera, and then one is going to be like showing what the camera is seeing, I guess. And then so that means put your thing on there. If you're making this in Unity, then just have both of your colliders disabled or just deleted so that you don't collide with the camera, of course. Back camera, I would also, for both of your cameras, I would also do clipping plane at 0.01 and then put them as further back as you possibly can, so then you can get as much as field of view as possible. Now what we want to do is select both cameras, drag this into output texture. Now go back to camera object, which is probably going to be like the empty. Add this script on. So do back camera as your first camera, and then front camera as your second. A webhook URL link, just go to your Discord server, go to one of your thingy, like chats, do right click edit, integrations, webhooks, create a new webhook, call it whatever you want, add whatever image, don't mind this, I was bored. And then do copy webhook URL, paste it into here. Custom message is basically when you take a screenshot and it will also send this as the text. I don't have any examples because I deleted all, but yeah, you can say that. Um, Screenshot cooldown time is just how long between you can take each screenshot. So yeah, camera cooldown time is just the seconds before you can like actually change the camera from back to front or front to back. Just keep it as 1 or maybe like 0.7 or something like that. It's because when you hold like the button to change, it will just spam it. So yeah, this is debug logs, so I would turn these off. But if you want to see if everything works correct, just turn this on. It will say screenshot send and blah blah blah. I've off. This is just debugging. Just don't touch this. That we want to do also get the CRTA script. What it stands for is camera render texture assigner. Um, so I just shortened it down to CRTA because what it does, because what the script does is like it for this it just so when you take a screenshot it just goes like that. So instead you'll just do so this script what it does it checks if the camera doesn't have a render texture, it will add the render texture onto the camera. So camera is just gonna be the camera and render texture record the render texture. Keep this at 60 because when you also take a screenshot, it also changes the FOV for some reason. I really don't know why and can't fix that, so I just made this. Debug logs, it just tells you that it like made it, added the render texture, I guess. Add another one for the front camera, do the same settings. And yeah, I'll show you it works. It also works on PC. So how this works, let me just open the script up. So how this works is you can also do this on VR and PC if you want to test on PC, because you know sometimes you don't really want to go on VR test. You can just go on PC. So let me scroll down here. So so easy inputs get primary button. So this, if this on your right, if this let's say on your right hand, it will you have to press your A button to take the screenshot, or C because I made it C. If you want to change it to like a trigger, just delete this primary and do trigger. If you don't want a trigger, if let's say you want grip, just do grip. If you want the secondary button, which is the B button or the top button on your left controller, do secondary. But if you want to keep it as primary, that's what I have, primary, then you can keep it as that. Then also down here, this is so that you can change the camera, so like from front to back. You press V on your keyboard, and you can change this if you want by just doing any key you want, but it has to be capital letter. I would suggest doing a letter instead of like some thingy because I don't think so it works. It's a bit different way to do it. So yeah, so it's V. If you want to change this again, to your like primary button, do primary, like that. Primary. If you want it grip, then do grip. If you want it trigger, do trigger. But yeah, secondary. That's really all I wanted to show you for that. Just do not save. And yeah, that should work. I'll show you guys that it does actually work. So let me just do this. So if I press C, if I go here, as you can see, it sends the thing, and it also sends the thing, the text that let's say you put there. Now what you can do is also rotate the thing, and it'll show where. You can rotate it, and then let's say you want to make it front view. So let me go into game V. So now it's on the front V. As you can see, it enables this one. If I press C again, it takes a screenshot, and look, it like in like a second it just appears there. So yeah, that's how you add like a camera to Grow Tech Fan Game. I might be figuring out a way how you make it, how you can make it so you can record videos and then it'll send. But I don't know if I will make it or not because yeah. But I'll see all you guys in the next video. Goodbye.